Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom composition notebook using Canva. I already have my Canva open, so on the custom size, the first thing I do is measure my notebook. It is a composition notebook, not the pen and gear, but I'm going to measure and then put in my width and height. So the width is 6.75 by 9.75 inches, and then I click create a new design. Okay, so on the blank document, on the elements, I'm going to look for a background, composition notebook background. That's what I'm going to type in on my search bar. And when I get that, I'm going to change the color. So you can play around and change the colors. Just click on the toolbar to the top and you will see the color. You can just change it to the color you like. I'm going to go with a pink and white since the notebook is for a little girl. Then I'm going to just adjust the background, shift it a little bit down because I want to put to the top a solid pink color. Afterwards, I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to get some designs. I'm going to use some white stars and I'm just going to put them around on the notebook cover. This is the front cover that I'm doing first. And then I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to search in the search bar. I'm going to type in composition notebook label. Before the label, I'm going to put in the flowers. Okay, so I put in the flowers first. And you can just click duplicate and put how many more flowers you want, or you can click copy and paste and put 2 or 3 or even make 4 flowers. I'm only going to use 3 for now. And then, as you can see, I'm putting in the composition of the label now. You can also change the color of the label. So instead of the black border, you can click on the label and you see the colors to the top. You can change the color. So you'll see that I change the color later down to pink. Here I'm going to insert the name of the child. So I'm going to use her first name and surname, Sophia Brown. So on the text, I just click add a heading and I'll type her name and then I'm going to just adjust it. Put it into the label and adjust it to ensure that it's centered. So I think I'm going to go with the color pink, so you can change the color of the text as well, her name. And then I'm going to go on the effects to the top of the toolbar. I'm going to click effects and I'm going to select outline. So I'm going to put the name outline around it, and you can even put the outline in a color. So I'm going to go with pink, the pink outline. Then when I'm finished, I'm going to, on the text, I'm going to select add a subheading where I'm going to type the grade, child's grade, as well as the subject. So I'm going to put grade 4, and then I'm going to put science as a subject. Okay, so I'm just here just adjusting the subject and the grade just to ensure that they're centered or line up. hopefully under the child's name. And then I'm going to just click effects and change the color or the font. I'm going to use outline so to get a nice effect. And I'm going to select the color pink. So it's going to have like a pink outline or background. I'm going to do the same thing for the subject. All right, now I've decided that I'm going to just use a different effect. So instead of putting grateful there on the label, I'm going to put it outside on the front cover of the notebook. So there's a feature on app there on the left panel called type gradients. So I select that and I'm just going to type in what I want in the box there, the main text, which is grateful star. And you can change the font, the color of the font. So I'm just there playing around with the colors, and there's a preview there so you can see how it will look, what it looks like. You can even add like a 3D effect or 3D shadow, and then just select add the design, and the design will go on the document or on the notebook. So there it is, grateful star, and I choose the colors pink and blue. So I'll have to delete the grateful that I have there on the label because I already have grateful student. I think this looks a little bit more better. It gives it a more unique feature or design. So I just deleted the subject, the grade, and I'm going to just there adjusting the subject to ensure that it's there, line up with the child's surname, with the child's name, and I'm going to insert the characters now. So I'm going to use the nylon stitch cartoon characters. See that that's the popular character now. So what you can do, you can go on Google and you can save it or download it to your computer, then upload it to Canva, and you can use it for your design to design your notebook. What I did, I with my laptop, I'm able to just right click and copy the image, and it will just insert automatically into Canva. So I went on the uploads and I chose the character that I wanted to go on the cover, the front cover. And I have Canva Pro, so I'm able to remove the background. So I just select the character and I remove the white background. So I'm going to use two characters instead of one. So I'm just adjusting the characters and placing them how I want them on the notebook. And when I'm finished, I'm going to just select duplicate and make a duplicate of the whole document, front document, so I can do the back cover. So here I have the back cover and I just remove the label, composition notebook label, because I don't need that to go on the back. And I'm going to just use only one character, cartoon character instead of both characters. So I place the character to the top, and I'm going to use another app called Text. extrude. So this one I'm going to use it to type only this child's first name to the back of the cover of the notebook. So in type extrude, you can just put whatever text you want. So I'm writing that in the main text box. I'm just putting her name, Sophia, and there's a preview there so you can see what it looks like. You can use 3D effects, 3D shadow, whatever effects you want. If you want the letters to have like an outline effect, you can do that and change the colors as well. And when you finish, you just add to the design and it will automatically go on the cover or the document.